Surah, number 64, of Quran Majeed. The dispossession.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
يسبح لله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض له الملك وله الحمد وهو على كل شيء قدير.
Whatever there is in the heavens and the earth glorifies Allah. To Him belongs all sovereignty and to Him belongs all praise, and He has power over all things.
هو الذي خلقكم فمنكم كافر ومنكم مؤمن والله بما تعملون بصير.
It is He who created you. Then some of you are faithless and some of you are faithful, and Allah watches what you do.
خلق السماوات والأرض بالحق وصوركم فأحسن صوركم وإليه المصير.
He created the heavens and the earth with consummate wisdom, and He formed you and perfected your forms, and toward Him is your destination.
يعلم ما في السماوات والأرض ويعلم ما تسرون وما تعلنون والله عليم بذات الصدور.
He knows whatever there is in the heavens and the earth, and He knows whatever you hide and whatever you disclose, and Allah knows best what is in your breasts.
ألم يأتكم نبأ الذين كفروا من قبل فذاقوا وبال أمرهم ولهم عذاب أليم.
Has there not come to you the account of those who were faithless before? They tasted the evil consequence of their conduct, and there is a painful punishment for them.
ذلك بأنه كانت تأتيهم رسلهم بالبينات فقالوا أبشر يهدوننا فكفروا وتولوا واستغنى الله والله غني حميد.
That was because their apostles would bring them manifest proofs, but they said, "Will humans be our guides?" So they disbelieved and turned away, and Allah had no need of their faith, and Allah is all-sufficient, all-laudable.
زعم الذين كفروا أن لن يبعثوا قل بلى وربي لتبعثن ثم لتنبؤن بما عملتم وذلك على الله يسير.
The faithless claim that they will not be resurrected. Say, yes, by my Lord, you will surely be resurrected, then you will surely be informed of what you did, and that is easy for Allah.
فآمنوا بالله ورسوله والنور الذي أنزلنا والله بما تعملون خبير.
So have faith in Allah and His Apostle and the light, which we have sent down, and Allah is well aware of what you do.
يوم يجمعكم ليوم الجمع ذلك يوم التغابن ومن يؤمن بالله ويعمل صالحا يكفر عنه سيئاته ويدخله جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها أبدا ذلك الفوز العظيم.
When will He bring you together for the day of gathering? It will be a day of privation and regret. As for those who have faith in Allah and act righteously, He shall absolve them of their misdeeds and admit them into gardens with streams running in them, to remain in them forever. That is the great success.
والذين كفروا وكذبوا بآياتنا أولئك أصحاب النار خالدين فيها وبئس المصير.
But as for those who are faithless and deny our signs, they will be the inmates of the fire, to remain in it forever, and it is an evil destination.
ما أصاب من مصيبة إلا بإذن الله ومن يؤمن بالله يهد قلبه والله بكل شيء عليم.
No affliction visits anyone except by Allah's leave. Whoever has faith in Allah, He guides his heart, and Allah has knowledge of all things.
وأطيعوا الله وأطيعوا الرسول فإن توليتم فإنما على رسولنا البلاغ المبين.
Obey Allah, and obey the Apostle, but if you turn away, then our Apostle's duty is only to communicate in clear terms.
الله لا إله إلا هو وعلى الله فليتوكل المؤمنون.
Allah, there is no God except Him. In Allah let all the faithful put their trust.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إن من أزواجكم وأولادكم عدوا لكم فاحذروهم وإن تعفوا وتصفحوا وتغفروا فإن الله غفور رحيم.
O you who have faith! Indeed, you have enemies among your spouses and children, so beware of them. Yet if you excuse, forbear, and forgive, then Allah is indeed all forgiving, all merciful.
إنما أموالكم وأولادكم فتنة والله عنده أجر عظيم.
Rather, your possessions and children are a test, and Allah, with Him is a great reward.
فاتقوا الله ما استطعتم واسمعوا وأطيعوا وأنفقوا خيرا لأنفسكم ومن يوق شح نفسه فأولئك هم المفلحون.
So be wary of Allah, as much as you can, and listen and obey, and spend, in the way of Allah, that is better for yourselves. Those who are saved from their own greed, it is they who are the felicitous.
إن تقرضوا الله قرضا حسنا يضاعفه لكم ويغفر لكم والله شكور حليم.
If you lend Allah a good loan, He shall multiply it for you and forgive you, and Allah is all appreciative, all forbearing.
عالم الغيب والشهادة العزيز الحكيم.
Knower of the sensible and the unseen, the Almighty, the All-Wise.